Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be naming parts of the day in Sepedi language. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have morning. Morning. What do we call a morning in Sepedi? So morning is called mesong. Mesong. Morning is called mesong. The next one we have afternoon. So what is afternoon called in Sepedi? Is afternoon called in Sepedi? So afternoon is called mosegare. Afternoon is called mosegare. Afternoon is called mosegare in Sepedi. Do we call evening in Sepedi? So evening is called thapama. Evening is called thapama. Evening, thapama. Evening is called thapama. The last one we have night. A night. What is a night called in Sepedi? So night is called bosigo. Night is called bosigo. Night is called bosigo in Sepedi. So that's it for our today's video. I will see you in the next video. For now, share, like, and subscribe.